Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to apply CSS to HTML code. Nothing but how to apply styles to HTML code. We already know, we already discussed that CSS means what? Just styling the HTML page, styling the web page. So now here we are creating one HTML file. After that, I want to apply styles. In how many ways? Here, CSS we can apply to HTML in three ways. In three ways. First one, using the style attribute. Using the style attribute in body location. In body location. Second one, using the style tag in head location. Style tag in head location. Third one is external CSS file. External CSS file. All the three we are using. So when we go with the first option, when we go with the second option, and when we go with the third option, easily we can remember. Right? First one is a style attribute. Second one is a style tag. Third one is a external CSS file. Just consider the first one. Okay. So I'm writing the program. HTML program. Inside this HTML, I'm writing the paragraphs in head location. This is head location. As of now, I'm not writing anything inside the head location. Inside the body location, inside the body. So what I'm doing here, just I'm creating one paragraph, first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. Generally, how we are doing that? Whenever you are writing the paragraphs, this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 1, and this is paragraph 2, and this is paragraph 3. Paragraph close, paragraph close, paragraph close. Sir, why you didn't close this? I'll explain. Now the question is, I want to apply three different colors to three different paragraphs. I want to appear, means what? Display this with a blue color, is a green color, or with a red color. Then we apply the style using the style attribute. We already discussed attributes must be placed inside the start tag. So this is the start tag. Inside that you need to specify the style. Inside you need to specify style. Style is equal to color. We already discussed that. We represent with a double quotes. Color colon. What is that color? Suppose red color. Close. Then use this one. Paragraph 1. Paragraph 1. In the same way, the next one. I want to apply the second one is a style. Style is equal to color. Is a blue color I want to give. Para 2 is a blue color. Next one is a style equal to color. Suppose is a green color. Is at para 3. That is. So when we go with the style attribute as a simple option, when we want to apply styles to individual HTML elements, we are using this option, style attribute. Style attributes you must place inside the start tag only. So inside the start tag we are representing this. Is the first one. Next one, what is the second one? What is the second one? Sir, I want to apply the same color to all these three paragraphs. So instead of writing the code three times, we are writing only one time, that is in head location, HTML. This is head location. In head location, we are applying that. In body, we are defining the three paragraphs now. Directly I am writing that paragraph 1, and here it is a paragraph 2, and it is a paragraph 3. Paragraph 3, and this is body and this is HTML. Inside that body location, we are specifying the 3 paragraphs, and now we are representing all these 3 with the same color. Then no need to write 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Why? Write only one time inside head location, just paragraph P. We are specifying that color colon suppose is a green color, I am giving green. This is CSS format, but directly you should not write this CSS. I already told you that use this style tag. So inside the head location, just we need to give style. Everything you need to specify inside the style tag, that is right. Any other style, for example, if you write some more paragraphs or some more headings, if you want to give separate color, then we are specifying. Sir, for example, for this paragraph I want to give different color, then here you use a style attribute, so it will be applicable for remaining 2 paragraphs. So this is the second one. First one, using the style attribute, by which we can apply individual styles to every HTML element. Second one is using style tag. We can apply the same style to multiple HTML elements. And what is that third one? What is that external CSS file? Let me explain. For example, a website is a collection of web pages, right? Suppose if your website contains 100 pages and all 100 pages paragraph color is a black color, suppose heading color is a blue color, right? A title, some other headings colors are red color, background colors if you want to give. Same styles I want to apply to each web page in the website. So no need to specify the styles in each page separately. So we need to centralize the code. So what is that? Suppose take one external file. External file, any name you can take. Suppose my style extension should be CSS. Open the notepad. Inside the notepad, write your code. CSS code. No need to specify the style attribute or style tag. Directly you can write because it is already CSS file. Sir, to all headings I want to apply blue color. Okay, make it color is a blue color. Sir, to all paragraphs I want to apply green color. So okay, color is a green color. That's all. CSS code completed. Now, where you can apply, suppose in my website I have created multiple pages. First .html page, second .html page, third .html page, third.html page. So we can apply all these. Here we can apply, here we can apply, here we can apply. That is. So in body we are defining one heading, h1 heading. This is heading, h1 close, and different paragraphs I am giving. Paragraph here, paragraph here. This is the body. The same code is present here also. In body, headings are there, paragraphs are there. Paragraphs. And the same thing here. Here also is a body. Here it is a h1 tag, heading is there. And here it is a paragraph tags are there. Paragraph tags are present. That is. I want to apply same styles to all the 3 web pages. Then inside the head location, we just give the link. Instead of write the same code 3 times here, 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 just we are giving the link. I am linking that page. Link, hyperlink reference, href. What is that page location? Is a mystyle.css path we need to give. and which type of file, that relative type we need to specify, that is a style sheet. Style sheet. If you specify all these things, it will execute. It's an empty element. Only start tag is there. There is no end tag. Of course, not required end tag. Just for linking only. The same code you need to specify here. The same code you need to specify here. Then automatically the styles applicable to first.html, second.html, and third.html. This is called code centralization. For example, if you want to change the background color of your entire website, no need to change the color of each web page separately. Right here, if you change the background color or color, then that will be applicable to the entire website at a time. So this is how we apply styles to CSS. Hope you understood. Thank you all.